couldn't use a controller anyway, you could break it. Because these clamps aren't unclamping. It tore out. We're gonna put it in there. You can see the wire from it wrapped in through that hole, but got torn on the other side. Nothing exploded yet.
Yeah?
Yeah. Whoa! Very good about it. That's not bad. Here it comes, here it comes.
Yeah, break it before we get a chance.
Dude, this actually works pretty good.
Oh no! A wheel came off. They're both 27 hertz, so theoretically they should both run when I... Attack! Oh no! That was... Oh no, we lost the track.
Hi, I'm Justin, and
Hey, I'm Jake.
we are responding to Jairus of all. He did the hashtag 2018. What was it called? Hashtag World's Greatest RC Car Challenge 2018, and this is what we came up with. I had this one lying around. It is four-wheel drive, so I thought it'd be super cool to add tank treads to it. So it's a little tank. These are 3D printed parts that I made, and it's also equipped with a couple of rocket launchers. The other two cars, this was all stuff that we got from Goodwill. It was on sale and it was like the 50% off day, so we went in there and were able to get everything for super cheap. I think in total we bought like 4 or 5 like RC cars that were just missing like remote controls or something like that, and we spent a total of like $8 or $9 on everything. And we added LiPo batteries to them and upgraded them a little bit.
Mine is probably the worst off. It's one that was like a Challenger GT car that I took the front wheels off to get more treads. I hot glued some spikes onto the front tires to make it a little bit more deadly, a little bit more ferocious. The back wheels I had to improvise treads on so it wouldn't spin out of control, so I just hot glued onto them. So that works enough. And then we got jets in the back, aka sparklers. So it helps. And then a bigger battery because I need to go.
And then this one was just kind of a module. I thought it looked super cool. It's like a twister. You can't really control it that well because it just likes to spin like a saw blade. And so I thought it was super cool, and I had a spare saw blade lying around.
Oh my god.
Battle bots.
Basically.
Alright, so we're gonna put them through the test and see what they can do.
Choose your car. Ready, set, go!
2.1 seconds.
That's pretty good. 3, 2, 1, go. What end did this end? Yeah. 6.14 seconds.
Close.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. None of this is on camera either. Come on, okay. Disqualified. Or should we off-road though? Sounds like there's good.
Just right here. Let's do from the bottom of the driveway past the tree. Second competition is off-roading. 3, 2, 1, go.
Mine's a master. Go. Okay, hold on. Look at big.
There's a big guy. I'm gonna go another way. There you go. Are you ready, buddy? You got this. Alright, tell me when to go.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
No!
Come on, Just. It's not that hard.
Oh, again! No.
See, you knew what path to take because of me.
Oh yeah, I'm not because you want to go in this one.
Okay.
This is the talent portion.
Go.
Oh.
There it goes. Oh my goodness. That's actually really awesome. Oh my gosh. Sparklers, go.
Alright, so before any modifications, this was an aquatic, so it can go on land and sea. Alright, as you can see, these all had their ups and downs.
Yeah.
I believe Jake's was the winner. His did perform best in all of the competitions. I just thought mine looked really cool.
Yours looked cooler. Mine, I went for functionality and slapped the body on last.
Whatever, it was a ton of fun. We got to play with a lot of electronics and learn a lot of new things. It was super easy to actually like hack in these and add LiPo batteries to them so they last a little bit longer and you can recharge them. And we pretty much drove the cars off of one remote because they were all 27 hertz. We just had a lot of fun in the process and learned. This was my first time actually designing a 3D part. Still a little wet.
Okay.
But I designed a 3D part to
How much water do you have thing?
I designed this 3D part to attach to the wheels and to the track motors. So that was a lot of fun. It was really, it was just a fun overall project. So thanks for issuing the challenge, and I hope we competed well. See you next time.
Peace.